more flooded the more we go back. Be quiet.
Don't say to me nothing, bro. I can touch you if I want.
I was just like welcoming you, dude, but like whatever.
Oh, we're good. This ain't even coming from our watch, bro. That's just coming from over there. Oh, nigga!
Sorry.
the trench, bro!
I feel better here. I feel better. Oh, this feels good. It means we can still go see the waterfall. Hell yeah.
If it's a waterfall, there ain't no water coming out of here. That thing's so messed up, dude. Oh, you don't want to race Joey, bro.
Video you see with that race truck is like, ooh, and it doesn't move. Rock.
Holy washboard, Batman.
Feel like your muscles got shaken? Feels great, dude. I feel refreshed. Like that, like fucking belt, you know, that shakes around. Alright, should we wait up for him?
Sure.
Yeah, it's lots of water. I like water. It's a lot of water though. Yeah. Oh, I see water. Hey, that hill's probably coming up around the corner. Hey.
Oh, fuck. That's just getting here.
Oh shit, that's gonna be more coming
crazy.
down.
Oh,
Right here.
oh, fuck. We just drove into this shit, niggas. Oh, fuck. We're good? Should we wait for them?
I guess, yeah, because where the fuck are they? We're by ourselves.
The buggy just turned
Look how foamy it is though, dude.
Let me get one of those Mikey shit. I didn't know your snack on beef jerky over
Why is it so
there.
Yeah, bro.
foamy? It's nasty. Ugh. God, it's gonna be so much worse on the way back. It's great. It's great. It's gonna be great. Almost looks like ice, but it's like foam.
Fucking throwback.
Fuck the plane. If I had a real full drive, I'd be driving into it.
He said
Like
nope.
if I owned that full style, we'd be smashing.
That's what I was saying. And his?
Uh-huh.
Yeah, I would be getting it. Fucking sideways in that bitch.
Keep going, what are you doing? Oh.
Silver Creek.
Wanna go to Silver Creek? We're gonna go to Silver Creek!
Yeah.
Yeah, it's back up the road. That's up to you, you don't have to. You can just go home. Right that way. Yeah. You're good.
Anywhere, bro. We're gonna check it out, dude.
Yeah, the roads wash out through there too.
Yeah. But it won't be as bad as this. Well, it will be, but